License key formatting. You are given a license key represented as a string that consists of only alphanumeric characters and dashed. The string is separated into n+1 groups by n dashed. You are also given an integer key. So when we look at this example, this is the input string s. How many elements in this string? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups, right? So how many dash in this? 3 dash. And then we are given a key integer, okay? So okay, and then we want to reformat the string as such that each group contains exactly 4 characters except for the first group, which could be shorter than k but still must contain at least 1 character. That means this is the same length. So when we look at this example, k is 2, so we have to have 2 characters every group on the right side. Only the leftmost, right? Only the first group could be shorter than k, but still must contain at least 1 character. Because if there is no character, that will be just empty, and dash will be the very first elements, right? We don't want that. Furthermore, there must be a dash inserted between 2 groups, and you should convert all lowercase letters to uppercase. So here, this is a small letters or lowercase letter in the strings, and then it changed to the capital letters, okay, uppercase. Return the reformatted license key, okay. So when we have this example, the way I'm gonna do is I will loop every characters in the input string from the rightmost to the leftmost, okay, from the right to the left. How many elements should be in one group? Just 4 elements, right? Okay, 4. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll start W9 E. W. W is just more. I will not change here. E2 dash, and then we have Z3F5. Okay, then so we have this one, right? And then we need to reverse that one again, right? Because we are studying from the right side to get the equal side, right? To get the equal side, only at the time the rightmost gonna be the small, this one, right, shorter than k, right? So we need to reverse that one back, right? So 5F 3Z and then 2E9W, okay? And then I will change every small case to the uppercase, okay, lowercase to the uppercase, okay. So another example is this one. It is the same way. I will start from the right side to the left side. J3, how many elements in this example? Just k is 3. Oh, k is 2 elements in one group. So J3 and then G5 and then 2. So the first group could be shorter than k. This is that case, right? So I will get 2 and then 5G and then 3J. I will change to the capital letter 5G 3J. So that is what we want, okay. So those steps are like reversing the array and then changing every small letters to the capital letter is easy, right? The one we have to think about is changing the input string to the strings. So how can we know that? Okay, we will loop every characters in the strings, and then we will ignore dash. We will add dash only when we want, okay. So when we want to add dash, if it is 4 elements, we will continue to read until if it is 4 element, and then after if it is 4, we will add dash. I will read that one again. Dash. Then if it is 4 elements, we will add dash. At that time, we can add another extra variable to make that count, right? Again. If that temporary variable is just 0, and then we will start at the 4 back, right? So we can do that, but I don't want to create another variable again. And then here we have 4, right? After we have 4, we add we 1 dash. After we add 4, it's gonna be how many elements? 4 is 8, right? 9. So when it is, if it is 0, we don't want to add 1. If the length is 0, no, we don't have to add. When it is 3, no, we don't have to add. Only if it is 4, we will add. 5, what is 5? No, we don't have to add. Only after, if it is 4, we will add dash, right? 6, no, we will not add. 7, no, we will not add. 8, we will not add. 9, okay, we will add dash. That means 0, this one is the result length, right? If the result length is 0, no, we don't add to add. Oh, we will not add. Okay, what if it is 1? No, we will not add. 2, 3, 4. Only if it is 4, we will add dash. Okay, and then we will add 4 again, right? And then 9, and then we will get this one. So to know this one without using another variable, I will use this like this. Our result length, I will divide it by the how many k plus 1, and then I will check if it is equal k or not. We will take the remainder. So result of length is 4 at the time. 4 divided, 4 divided, we will divide it by 5, right? At the time it's gonna be equal 4. If it is 9, that if the length is 9, if we divide it by k plus 1, at the time it's gonna be equal 4. Oh, when we meet that case, we will add dash. Okay, let's do this. So to save the result, I will use a string builder. Because string is the immutable object, right? So I don't want to create again. I don't want to be like that. So I'll just use the string builder, and then I will loop every characters in the input string s from the right to the left. That's why I will create a variable I. I will start from the right modes -1, yes, and then I greater than equals 0, because we will keep going till the first elements in that input string, right? And then I minus. Oh no, as yes, just s. Okay, and then if s dot I is not equal dash, because we cannot attach, right? And then we will check this condition. If this condition is working, we will add dash to our result. Okay, dash, right? Whatever it is, we will add our string, our character at that index, right? Okay, we got this stage, and then we need to reverse every character, we need to reverse these strings, right? And then we need to change from small case to the lowercase to the uppercase. Okay, I will do that one in one line. I will create a new string from string builder dot to string, and then I will call as a reverse function, right? And then I need to change that to array, because to create an array we need to put a character arrays, right, as a parameter dot to upper. Okay, this one is the one we reverse it, and then this one is the one we change from this step to this step. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry, string builder is not that one. I put the result. I was talking string builder. Okay, I'm gonna submit this one to see what will happen. Okay, cool. That's it. Thank you.